Ladies and gentlemen, the stage is set. The act has begun and the audience are enjoying. Well, that's a usual play. But have you ever thought being part of the audience, you're also part of the play? The characters are interacting with the audience and audiences become the character, and there are international audience through Zoom call watching you and they're also the character. So many things going along at the same time, and that's an hybrid play. And the first time in Odisha we have a hybrid play which just occurred right behind me.
So a hybrid play is one where it's both digital and physical, usually. But in this case, it's digital, physical, interactive, and multilingual. So we've got the play in English and Odia, and it's done on Zoom. There's a live location over here. There's a live audience over here. And the live audience and the audience on Zoom can interact with the characters during the play. That's what a hybrid play is all about.
This groundbreaking hybrid docu-play, which is unfolding in Bhubaneswar, spotlighting a powerful issue that affects over 300 million Indians: the struggle to afford proper spectacles. Drawn from real-life stories, the production shows how affordable eyewear, costing less than Rs 900, is transforming lives by restoring dignity, productivity, and independence. On stage, two imaginative characters, Rhodopsin and Iodopsin, guide the audience through unseen realities, blending documentary storytelling with live and virtual performances. In a first for the city, one performer is appearing live from Canada, sharing the stage in real time with actors in Bhubaneswar. The proceeds from the show are being directed toward extending efforts to bring better vision and brighter opportunities to undeserved communities across India.
So first time event in Orissa. I think it will take some time for people to understand, but I wish him all the best, and I hope it picks up very quickly.
So, the main aim behind this play was to get people aware of the number of mass that is suffering from myopia or any other vision defects, and that they do not have enough money to get them rectified. So we did this in order to collect enough donations to help the poor and the ones who cannot afford. Yeah.
So today they just invite me to participate in the international call. So it was really amazing, and I think it will be helpful for Indian people.
You saw this beautiful hybrid play by the Make That Move Theatre with Red Curtain International teaming up together for this fantastic, lovely, and out of the box thing, and say you everything, but then you won't be seeing the play next time when it happens. So I will stop over there. When next time it happens, be there, watch it to know more about it, obviously. Till then, stay tuned to Orissa Post Live.